Learn how affiliate marketing works and increase your income. Affiliate marketing, while it involves being paid for your ability to bring in new customers to a business, can be a very rewarding and engaging form of business. It's important to know everything you can about how to succeed in the world of affiliate marketing, which is why you should watch this video. Look for companies that provide two-tier affiliate commission programs. This is a great source of passive income for you. The two-tier program will earn you money if a customer you referred ends up selling the product themselves. You will earn a commission based on the product they sell. Use a plugin to help you rotate the advertisements on your site. Eliminate the ads that are not making any money to free up some space for new ads that may work better. Track this internally through your account on the affiliate marketing site that you are working through. A great affiliate marketing tip is to be honest about affiliations. If you try to sneak in affiliate ads, you might lose the trust of your visitors. They might even go out of their way to prevent you from getting your referral credit. It's much better to be honest about your affiliations. Websites that already have robust affiliate programs can boost the effectiveness of their internet marketing strategy by offering customers the opportunity to become affiliates. Such an offer is not viable as a standalone policy, but if the business has established affiliates already selling products for them, it only makes sense to solicit more affiliates through sales. As you can see, affiliate marketing is a complex and nuanced business style, with many techniques to maximize success as well as traps and pitfalls to avoid. Armed with the knowledge from this video, you will be better able to participate in the challenging and rewarding world of affiliate marketing. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.